The growing for mechanical keyboards proves how much people value thoughtful design, durability, and performance. And the same applies to finding the best small smokers. Typists and gamers evaluate switches, build quality, and value, while our guide evaluates smokers based on smoke output, ease of use, build quality, size, and value. Whether you're a beginner or a barbecue enthusiast. List 1. lizzq Premium Pellet Smoker Tube, 12 inches, 5 hours of billowing smoke, hot or cold smoking. For an incredibly affordable and versatile way to add smoky flavor, the lizzq Premium Pellet Smoker Tube is hard to beat. At just 12 inches, it's compact, yet produces up to 5 hours of rich smoke, perfect for both hot and cold smoking. Made from durable stainless steel with a hexagonal design. Listen up. East Oak 30-inch electric smoker for outdoors, built-in meat probe and up to 6 times longer smokes on a single load. The East Oak 30-inch electric smoker combines convenience with performance. This compact electric smoker features a built-in meat probe for perfect temperature control and can provide up to 6 times longer smoke per wood chip load compared to competitors. The insulated body maintains consistent heat. List 3. East Oak 30-inch electric smoker, outdoor smoker with convenient side, wood chip loader, 725 square inches. Another excellent option from East Oak, this 30-inch electric smoker offers a spacious 725 square inches of cooking space and a side wood chip loader, so you can add chips without opening the door and losing heat. Its double-wall insulation ensures consistent temperatures, and the digital controls make it easy to adjust settings and monitor your cook. The smoker comes with removable racks. List 4. smokpub Electric Whiskey Smoker Kit, built-in lighter, no butane needed, rechargeable cocktail smoker kit with 6 wood chips. For a different kind of smoking experience, the smokpub Electric Whiskey Smoker Kit is a compact, fun gadget for enhancing cocktails or small cheese and meat platters. It comes with a built-in rechargeable lighter, eliminating the need for butane, and includes 6 types of wood chips to experiment with different flavors. Its portable, lightweight design makes it perfect for parties, picnics. List 5. Sunlifer BBQ Charcoal Smoker for Meat, 16-inch, heavy-duty 4-in-1 BBQ charcoal grills. Vertical barbecue smoker's grill. If you love traditional charcoal flavor, the Sunlifer BBQ charcoal smoker is an excellent compact choice. This 16-inch vertical smoker is a versatile 4-in-1 grill and smoker, allowing you to smoke, grill, bake, or roast. The heavy-duty construction ensures durability, while the dual vents let you control airflow and temperature with precision. Its small footprint and modular design make it perfect for balconies,